everybody. Before we start this video, we have a shout out to a subscriber named Daniel H.
Then we scream, right?
Huh?
Ska vi skrika? Ah! The old Primus Lite Plus, and this is the new version. As you can tell just by looking at them, there's some minor differences in the all-around look, and it's mostly materialized differences or material differences. On the old one, you got a different support for the gas. So this is made of G-1000, and then on the inside you have like a fleece sort of thing, the plastic lid with the rubber. And then on the new version, the inside you have cork. The ground support for the gas turns out to be a little bit compact. The top lid is more environmentally friendly plastic. Here you got the regulator, and the regulator looks like this on the new one. There's a small little difference there as well. Something that I like with this regulator is that you can see if it's open or closed a lot easier than in the old version. The new one also comes with a cloth. And then you can see both kitchens you have these little strings, so you can hang these up if you are in a position where you need to do that. On the new kitchen you also have a little pre-made dent sort of thing, so it's easier to pour. I really like this one, the shape of it, because it's slimmer at the bottom, so it's easy to put in or take out of your side pocket here, so it's meant to slide down real easy. And then of course there's the benefit of having one. I use the 0.75. This will give me one meal and a cup or maybe 2 cups of coffee, so that's a really nice thing to have on the go like this. You don't need to bring out your kitchen and make the whole setup.
No.
Show us the differences between the old and the new long spoon.
It's the orange is
longer.
Longer.
Yeah, so the new one is longer. That's
the orange is longer.
Yep.
And the black is older.
Yes. And also shorter, but who cares?
Orange.
All in all, I think the upgrades on the new Primus Lite stove are great. There's just one little thing. You see the little hook here for the handle at the bottom? I would like to see that a little bit higher up, because sometimes it tends to get really warm here. It's not very often, but it has happened to me, and yeah, it's just a quick fix, so I would really like to see an upgrade on that. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.